Welcome back to InstaBulls, everyone. We are live Monday through Friday during market hours on price and news breakouts throughout the day on penny stocks. So definitely check out instabulls.com if you guys are looking for more breakouts on penny stocks. But I'm going to go over BYND with you guys real quick. BYND has been on a little bit of a breakout, and a lot of people have been talking about this one. I want to go over a quick analysis on which resistant levels we want to break out of to have that nice bullish momentum swing trade that we are looking for. As a lot of people are starting to talk about this one, and I don't want people to necessarily FOMO into this one until it does break certain levels. So again, let's jump right into this one. So you can see here on the 4-hour that we have been on a little bit of a sell-off. We have a major sell-off that we did have recently with the 20 MA still below the 50 on the 4-hour. Again, we did have a nice bounce here, but again, we did have a nice bounce because we did start to curl up. It looks like it was a technical bounce. We are trying to bounce off of these levels that we did previously break out of back here. So we are going to see if this can hold and possibly give us more bullish momentum that we're looking for. Now, the level I want to see it break out of, there is a 135 resistance here that we did consolidate and then did sell off from. But ultimately, I want this one to break over 150. This is the very key resistance, in my opinion. We did have a sell off at this point. You can see we broke out at this point. You can see multiple times during this play, during this price, we did have a lot of sell offs and breakouts. So this is a very key resistance. I want it to break over 150 to give us more bullish momentum. And also, I want it to break over 168 ultimately. This is the very huge sell-off that we did start to have. So if we do break over 168, that would be the safer play. But as far as a swing trade and as far as entering for a swing trade, it's not that I don't like BYND. It's that I want to see a little bit more bullish momentum. I wanted to see it at least break over 135 to be swinging this one, in my opinion. Now, I do like the run that we did have today, and it definitely gave us a lot of volume, and it could definitely continue. But however, as far as going into a swing trade, I want to go over this one with you guys so you guys know we do want to break over 135, in my opinion, to give us more bullish momentum. Now, we do have a huge curl and rip here, so I wouldn't be surprised if this one did consolidate more and then started to break out at that point. Usually when you see things that do curl and rip here, you don't usually see it break the resistance that it did sell off from right off the bat. Usually you do see consolidation and then it breaks out. So again, BYND, still on the watch for the swing trade, but as far as the day trade, it looks like a lot of volume has been coming in, so definitely keep it on the watch still. But as you can see, there is volume coming in, but there's not as much buy volume as we did see sell volume during the sell-off. So again, we're going to probably have to see more confirmation on the volume here if we're going to look for that swing trade as well at that 135 mark. So BYND on the watch, but as far as a swing trade at this point, I definitely would be careful. But as far as volume coming in today, there's definitely a lot of volume that could create a lot of good intradays. But however, be careful on this one. Again, to enter into a swing trade, I wanted to make this video for you guys again real quick because I've seen a lot of people been asking, is BYND a good play for the long play, as they saw it starting to pop today? So I want to go over this with you guys real quick. But again, I appreciate everybody that's been supporting the channel, everybody that's been in the comment section. I appreciate every one of you guys. And if you guys do look for penny stock breakouts, news breakouts throughout the day, that's what we do at instabulls.com. So definitely check out if you guys want to see more of those. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.